On the road again. Vic High Country for the second time in a few months, I suppose. Might do a little bit of night driving tonight, but tomorrow plan is to do Ingeegoodbee Trail and drive up Cobberas, up the hill. And we've got Ledbrook in his disco and Shane coming in his Triton. So looking forward to this one. Alright, let's go. Trip's on. Made it look easy. We're still cruising, 10 o'clock at night, and we're on Ingeegoodbee. We're on McFarlane's Flat or something like that, and we're heading to a little camp spot on the Ingeegoodbee River, and apparently it's small, so we hope there's no one there. Is this car up on blocks? What time is it? On the first day? Hey?
Not even 8 AM.
8 AM? Yeah, that looks precarious as hell on that rock. Bash plates installed, hey?
Back plate's back.
Got me concerned about what we're in for today. Paper's your preference?
Not really. It's good to get a lay of the land though.
We are...
Yeah, so Cobberas, McFarlane's is what we're on at the moment.
Yeah.
Ingeegoodbee is what we drove last night. And then when we pop out here on Limestone Road, we'll decide.
That's where we wing it.
Go.
Leaving camp on Ingeegoodbee River or creek or whatever it is, and straight into it. There's some big old holes that we came across on the way in last night. There we go, there goes the old Triton. Goes okay. Colorado didn't even have a go. Some big ass holes.
Deep rut. It's a deep little buddy hole.
It's
No wonder she's fun getting out, hey?
up to your knees, I guess. Depends where you measure it from, eh?
Oh, but she's still, you know, got a good angle on it. So awesome. Good fun.
Holy shit, holy shit! Do you reckon you can hear me? Nee! Yeah!
That's a fucking solid bone.
Take that for dinner.
Take it home for the dog.
Make some soup. Bone broth.
Well, it must be a good campground.
Yeah, there's a few dotted along here.
Yeah.
That thing just does it so easy. So does Ledbrook actually. Now I just got to pick a line. This is not even the main bit and there's some big ass holes that I've got to contend with somehow.
In the hole, in the hole, in the hole. Oh, that was too easy. That was uneventful.
That was there. Should have gone in the hole. We're about to hit the main shaly climb on Cobberas.
Going up to survey the climb.
You want to have a wheel up on this high area.
Yeah.
You can't straddle that.
No.
You make sure you're up on that.
I think it's going to be trying.
That's the more common line.
Trying.
Yeah, I reckon inside.
Yeah, buddy!